good morning students. Now we are going to see about the data collection. We are going to discuss about the data collection. So what is data collection? Collecting data. So collecting this, so it is a systematic process of collecting the information, detailed information from various sources. It is called as data collection. We are collecting the information to find out the best solutions. So it is called as data collection. Okay. So there are two types of data collection. So first one is primary data. Second one is secondary data. So what is primary data? So primary data means the first data. We are collecting the information for the first time. It is called as primary data. So for example, questionnaire, survey method, experimental method, observation method, interview method. So these are the primary data collection. So through these methods we are collecting the primary data. Okay. So next type is secondary data. So what is secondary data means? We are collecting the information from the existing data. So it is called as secondary data. Okay. So we are collecting the existing data means we are collecting the information from books, journals, articles, websites. So we are from these sources we are collecting the data. It is called as secondary data. Okay. So what is the data collection? Systematic process of collecting the information. So it is called as data collection. What are the two types of data? Primary data and secondary data. So what is primary data? Fresh data. So we are collecting the data for the first time. It is called as primary data. So next one is secondary data. So what is secondary data? From the existing sources we are collecting the data. So what are the existing sources? Books, journals, articles, reports, companies annual report like this, next the magazines. So these things are the secondary data. So now we are going to see about the methods of primary data. So what are the methods? Interview method, observation method, survey method, experiment method. So these are the methods of primary data. So what is survey method? So first, as a researcher will provide the questionnaire to the respondents. So the respondent will the answer to the questions. It is called as survey method. From the survey method, the researcher will get data. Next one is interview method. What is interview? So researcher conduct an in-depth interview with the individual or group of people. So it is to get the information. So it is called as interview method. So researcher will conduct an in-depth interview with the individual or group of people to collect more information about a particular topic or particular issues. So it is called as interview method. So next one is observation method. So in this method, the researcher continuously observe the respondents about their behavior or their characteristics to find out their expectations, their preference. Okay, from that they will get a data. So next one is experimental method. So in experiment method, the researcher will manipulate two variables to find out the cause and effect of relationship between the two variables. So it is called as experimental method. Now we are going to see about the methods of secondary data. What is secondary data? We are collecting the information from the existing data. So it is called as secondary data. So methods mean there are two methods in the secondary data. First one is published data. Next one is unpublished data. So what is published data? Already published. So what are the data? Books, journals, articles. So these things are the published data. So next one, unpublished data means letters. Next one, unpublished data. So unpublished data means letters, diaries,